What are the authentic hacks to boost your rank in the main INI-CT exam? Let's discuss about them. These tricks are not for those who are going to be toppers or going to get two-digit ranks because अगर तुम लोग ये वाला tips and tricks apply करोगे, it could hamper your normal flow of preparation. So you prepare your own way. You can watch this video that what should be your target marks. Up till that you can watch this video, and it will be a rank booster for average students. So know your number of correct target because your goal should be quantifiable. So कितना टारगेट करना चाहिए अगर तुम इतना रैंक चाहते हो? So the number of corrects versus the approximate all India rank. This is approximate because the exact data is difficult to get. So in 160 corrects, the approximate rank is 25. For 155 corrects, approximate rank is 150. 150 corrects, 250 AIR, 145 corrects, 700, 140 corrects, 1200, and 135 corrects, 2000. This is the approximate AIR. Now, if I divide the 200 questions of INICT according to how many are PYTs and how many are new questions, approximately at least 140 of the questions will be from the previous year topics. Among this 140, 10 to 15 will be direct previous year question repeats. Means none will be changed. Okay, the diagram will be the same, the question stem will be the same, and the options will also be the same. So 10 to 15 are direct, and approximately 50 are applied or by ruling out options. Approximately 10 to 20 will be where you have no clue. Okay, you don't know regarding each and every clue of the option. The sweet spot to attempt in INICT, if it is moderate exam, then attempt 187 to 195 questions. Now last 10 days revision is very much important. It is the ultimate rank booster. In INICT, as I said, that 120 to 160 will be from the previous year topics only, and INICT goes into the depth of each topic. Okay, it is not a superficial exam like NEET PG. It has certain topics and it digs into the depth of those topics. So future trends you can predict by using AI. अभी तो AI आ गया है, and now the ChatGPT version 4 is too good. So use them as a source also. I have made a previous year topics list. So how many questions are asked in each subject is also mentioned, and those which are highlighted are asked 2 to 4 number of times, and where the VVI is given, it has been asked more than 5 number of times. Now you can divide the topics into fixed topics and depth topics. Fixed topics are those if you read your notes it's complete, because उससे ज़्यादा information नहीं हो सकता है उसमें. Like cranial nerve nucleus, it is a fixed topic. Muscles of mastication, larynx, means what you have in your notes, from that only question will come. But futuristic questions can come from depth topics. That is, they can dig into the depth of these topics, like the Therian. New question which is possible is the structures lying behind the Therian. This is a favorite question of INICT. So I have typed structures behind the Therian in Grok AI, and I get the Sylvian fission. This was asked in INICT May 2023, and I did this question a mistake. Now you can see more options like insula, Broca's area. This could be future INI questions. Like this depth topics जो होगा उसका जैसा क्वेश्चन पूछा था, like that only you have to type in the AI, and you have to give the proper cue so that you can get the future potential questions from the depth topics. Now this list of INICT 10 years is a paid list. The link is given in the description box below. If you want to check that out, then it is good, or you can use any other source of previous year topics. Now I have given some free also, like the CDC parasite life cycle, because CDC life cycles are only given in the NICT. Monoclonal antibodies PDF and FDA approved drug is given in my Telegram channel. And the NICT PYT list, CDC, and monoclonal antibodies that are in the Graphy website. The link is given in the description box below. You have to make a Graphy account to access those. Before going to the last 10 days strategy for NICT, if you are new to my channel, then do consider subscribing. So let's move to the last 10 days strategy. Now, in this last 10 days, you need not give any GT. Avoid GT, because if you give the GT good also, what is the advantage? You will have to review the GT, which will consume a lot of time. And if it is going to be poor, then you will be completely demotivated, and this will affect your main exam. At this point of time, in the fixed topics of the PYTs, you should screen through the notes. Don't try to active recall. It is going to consume a lot of time, and you need to complete all the 20 subjects in 10 days. So जितना टाइम बचा सकते हो वैसे करके ही रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. And for the depth topics, as I explained, you need to do AI search. Timeline. This is the most important timeline, and I have divided in such a way that there is correlation between the subjects. Day one, try to do anat and ortho, because ortho, the nerve injuries are present in anat also. After that, physiopatho, correlated, pharma medicine, correlated, micro and the rest part of medicine, especially the CNS, the infective parts are correlated. Biochem, inborn errors of metabolism are correlated with PD. After that, FMT, ENT, surgery, ops, anesthesia, surgical streams correlated. Gynec, derma, psyche. After that, in the last day, ComMed, because ComMed is volatile and do the biostats. And radio as a separate subject, you need not study. In radio also, I have written the extra points which you need to know. And in the last day, what you should do is revise the bookmarked previous year questions and the 28th notebook which you have prepared. Nothing else. I think this gives you a direction that how to prepare for NICT in the last 10 days. Now you can see a video that how is NICT different from NEET PG and the art of solving MCQs. So go watch them now, and all the best for your NICT and future exams.